गार्डनिंग को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और नोटिफिकेशन के लिए बेल आइकन को टैप कीजिए।
Hello friends, let's grow apple from apple. The method is as follows. Cut this apple and collect the seeds. These are seeds. There are so many seeds in these apples, but we have collected only 3. Now peel these seeds for better germination. And this is a box. I have already placed a tissue paper, towel paper. We will put these seeds in this towel. After cutting apple in two parts, we have collected the already appearing seeds, and now we have put these seeds in tissue paper method. We will spray little water on the seeds, and we will cover another tissue paper and we will tightly close this box and put it in refrigerator for 10 to 15 days, and in this period the seeds will be germinated. We have applied this method. This is a small airtight box. In this I have put 8 to 10 seeds 10 days before. So let's say how many are sprouted. Look, some seeds are sprouted, and we will put these sprouted seeds in this media. This is mud filled glass. We will take some holes look at it. These are sprouted seeds. We will gently put this in the hole. The other also in the hole. So now the process of germinating a plant from fresh apple, collecting the seeds from fresh apple, is completed. This is now these seeds will be sprouted soon.
गार्डनिंग को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और नोटिफिकेशन के लिए बेल आइकन को टैप कीजिए।